Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to demonstrate or show you the Google Spot display in the live notifications in the now bar. So if you have recently upgraded your Samsung phone to the latest One UI 7, you will notice on the lock screen there is a now bar showing your favorite spot, favorite team spot, live score here. So you can see here if you have subscribed to a particular spot or a particular team, the score will be displayed on the lock screen here. Now you can view that from the lock screen, or you can view them from the live notification. So if I swipe down at the top here, you can view from the notifications the score. So here we got the Dodgers versus the ATH score, and that was look like if you have turned on Now Spot, and you can tap on that to view more information, and tap on it again will open up Google Spot. And that's it. So that is how you can make use of that. So to turn on the Now Spot, and to customize your spot and teams, you can go into settings, then scroll down and tap on lock screen and AOD, then tap on Now bar, and make sure you turn on Spots from Google. And on the left hand side panel, you can also customize your spot team, or you can follow it. So in here, you can follow your favorite teams. And that's it. That's what it looks like. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.